configuring the Windows 11 time zone using Intune's device configuration profile. Step 1. Configure time zone through Intune 1. Open Microsoft Intune Admin Console. Navigate to Devices, Windows, Configuration Profiles. 2. Create Device Configuration Profile. Click on Create Profile and select the following details: Platform, Windows 10 and later, Profile Type, Settings Catalog, click Create. 3. Provide basic profile details. On the Create Profile Basics page, enter a name for the profile, e.g. Windows 11 Time Zone Configuration. Click Next. 4. Add Time Zone Setting. On the Configuration Settings page, click on Add Settings. In the Setting Picker search box, type Time Zone and click Search. Select Time Language Settings from the search results. Check the box for Configure Time Zone. Enter the desired time zone name, e.g. Central Standard Time. Close the Settings Picker. 5. Assign the policy. Click Next to go to the Assignments page. Assign the policy to the appropriate Azure AD Enter ID group. Ensure that the policy is applied only to devices in the respective time zone to avoid impacting users in other regions. 6. Review and create. On the Review Create page, review your configuration settings. Click Create to finalize and deploy the policy. Check the notification panel to ensure the policy was successfully created. Step 2. Monitor device configuration profile status. Navigate to Devices, Windows, Configuration Profiles. Click on the specific policy name to view its deployment status. The dashboard will display the number of devices where the policy evaluation was successful, failed, or in progress. Click View Report to see a detailed device-wise status. Summary. Create and configure profile in Intune using the Settings Catalog. Assign policy to the correct device group to ensure proper time zone application. Monitor deployment to track success and troubleshoot any issues. This ensures the time zone is set consistently across all targeted Windows devices managed through Intune.